So this is how you can get the Halloween gold note on Messenger. I'm going to use Instagram as a substitute because it's practically the same app. I mean, they're owned by the same company and they have the same feature. So you're going to want to go open up your Messenger and then go on ahead and create a new note. It should be at the top part of your Messenger screen, or it should look something like this: your profile picture and then add a note. So what you're going to want to type is either boo or Halloween. These two words can help you get this orange gold note. As you can see, there's a pumpkin and it's orange because it is Halloween. This is a new feature just because of the event and the holiday. So you can actually go on ahead and type it separately. For example, I'm just going to type boo and it's going to appear as orange. Or I'm going to go on ahead and type in Halloween and it's going to be orange as well. You could even add other words, for example, Happy Halloween everybody, or Boo, did I scare you? As long as the words boo or Halloween are in the note. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If it doesn't work for you, you're gonna want to update your app or your phone if updating your app doesn't work. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.